anti-lag. We'll see what's up. Alright guys, before we continue with the rest of the video, that's pretty much the end of the little street tune that we did. Before you guys ask or wonder why I didn't do a full pass, pretty much the car was making a lot of power on the street, like a lot. I pretty much maxed out my fuel system, maxed out my map sensors. Like, the car is making a lot of power, so therefore, like, we didn't want to do a full pass on the street without actually being on the dyno and seeing everything. We just wanted to pretty much just try out the car, see how it reacted. It reacted with a lot of power, guys. Like, legit, the car is freaking fast. Like, I forgot to mention that these pulls are with the power absolutely like turned down. The timing's turned down. And apart from that, it was actually like 103 degrees, so it was pretty hot, and the car was still like moving out, bro. Like, I can only imagine how it's gonna be when it's cold and when it's actually tuned. So the pulls were in third gear. They were like 45, like pretty much starting like at 45 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour. They literally felt like a second gear pull, but it was third. Like, that's how faster, that's how much faster it is. I can't wait to pretty much put on the dyno and see how much power it makes and really be able to abuse the car. But for now, that's where we stand. I cannot go over like 6,000 RPMs at the moment. I'm at a base map. So, yeah, just honestly, I can't wait to see how it feels and how much power it actually makes. But for the rest of the video, I did end up going to a car meet, so let's go ahead and get that started. Alright guys, this is now a few days later from the last clip you guys just saw. We're at the E station middle, my boy Sam, my boy Eric in the front. My boy Panda, who hasn't been to a car meet in like 2 years. We're gonna get to this car meet that's kind of local. It's local, started like 20 minutes ago. Should still be going on, but gonna go ahead and pump some E5. Yeah, let's head to the meet. Pretty clean cars though. We're gonna go ahead and walk around and show you guys a little bit of the meet. We got this sick R33 right here. I think I've seen him at another meet. Pretty sick.
Jimmy, no?
Hey, low-key, why is that truck pretty clean? I don't think I've ever seen a modified one. Little Frontier, another one right next to it. I'm not gonna lie, this car's pretty clean. There's a lot of clean cars here. I'm not even gonna cap. Oh, that's clean, bro. I like this color. I like these cars. If only they were made a little bit faster. Pretty clean.
Oh, look at it. It has hella glitter on it.
Hey, I low-key, like, I'm not gonna touch it. Oh, you could touch it right there, right? The thing on the window. Oh hell yeah! I've been wanting to touch this type of wrap, bro. All right, do not touch the car, but feel free to touch the sample. Not just kidding. That feels sick, bro. Feel it, feel it. I wonder how much this type of material is. I guess there's like a limbo challenge over there, and people are actually doing it. I'm gonna just buy them yards like this and just slam it to the ground so I can win every single time. Sick ass 370. Pretty clean. Dude, I should have bought one of those cars. If only they had them in stock.
See, there's one on.
Bro, I thought it was a park and chill. What are you doing? This was burning up the spot, bro. Let's see. Sick ass of core. Look. You have your stocks, bro. Sick ass food. Actually looks pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
So this is following us. Very clean cookie right here. I love these cars, bro. Sick ass Paul Walker. What's up, bro? I'm gonna buy one of these guys and put like a K24 in it and boost it. Got everybody. Everybody. Damn, all over you, Sambu.
Hell yeah. I missed that color.
It actually looks very clean, dude. Take off the wrap. Look, take off the wrap and powder coat your wheels.
Oh yeah,
Mag
that's
blue,
what it
bro.
would look like.
Mag blue, that shit looks sick as fuck.
Oh, with that gray?
Mag blue on that gray, looks sick. Sheesh, we got my twin over here, but 370 version.
Okay.
The white wheels. It's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. I like the white wheels. Say I won't buy one of these and buy the motor that's at Adrian's shop. A built 1.5J. Bro, I was casually walking by, I didn't even notice this. Must be nice. Trying to race with pinks. Oh, it's right hand drive too, super sick. Well, no, I actually looked into buying one of these, an imported one, before I got the Q, but a lot of money. I think it's super sick though, must be nice. I'm gonna sell the Z for one of these. Honestly, bro, props for driving like this. You, sir, got ball. Yeah, that's sick though. Okay. Alright guys, thing's pretty much over. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm hoping that exit over there is a lot better than this one, because I got stuck here when I first came in. I'm not trying to get stuck again. Let's go ahead and dip. Adrian, I'm fucking tuning tomorrow. Alright guys, I want to start by saying I'm sorry for the last clip. I don't know what happened to it, but I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are all enjoying how the Z is sounding and looking. I know I am. Like I said, I can't wait until we actually get to tune it. I wanted to tune it this week, but where I live and where the dyno is at, it's going to be extremely hot this week. I mean, I think towards the night it should be fresh, so maybe I will go, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just going to wait on it for it to get more fresher. Okay guys, that's pretty much what's next for the Z, just a tune. And after that, just pretty much start Well, I'm probably gonna get a drag pack in the rear, and another drag pack like the one I had, but better, and pretty much just start saving for the new motor, because we need to start making more power, even more power than right now. And I can't wait for that as well. But if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys be there whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.